Now let's install and configure the OS X client. First of all, we need to go to oncloud.org. Click download, and in sync your data section we choose desktop clients. Here your current operating system will be preselected. You just click on the button and download the client. When it is downloaded, you run it. I'm sorry, my interface is in Russian. Then we click next, then next again. We need to input the administrator's password or your user's password. And after the app is installed, you just go to Applications and run it. The default settings are actually good to go with, but the only setting I found that needed to be changed is to select this option to start the oncloud client when my MacBook starts, just to be sure that my files are always in sync. I also encourage you to go through other settings and to change them for your liking.